Vitamins and minerals play critical roles in maintaining our health. Unfortunately, smoking can have detrimental effects on the levels of these nutrients in our bodies, impacting smokers' overall health. The nicotine found in cigarettes prompts increased utilization of vitamin C, necessitating smokers to consume higher quantities to maintain adequate levels. Vitamin A, responsible for vision, immune function, and healthy skin, also falls victim to smoking. It interferes with the conversion of beta-carotene into the active form of the vitamin, leading to reduced levels in the body. Smoking's detrimental effects extend to B vitamins as well. Vitamin B12 and folate, vital for energy production, nerve function, and red blood cell formation, are found in lower quantities in individuals who smoke. This contributes to fatigue, anemia, and other health concerns. Smoking is associated with lower levels of vitamin D. This may stem from reduced exposure to sunlight, as smokers tend to spend less time outdoors, or impaired absorption and metabolism of vitamin D within the body. Minerals are not exempt from the harmful impact of smoking either. For example, smoking can intensify the excretion of calcium through urine, leading to diminished bone density and an increased risk of osteoporosis. Additionally, essential minerals such as selenium, zinc, and magnesium have been found to decrease in smokers, affecting various bodily functions. Given the negative impact of smoking on nutrient levels, it's natural to wonder if dietary supplements can help compensate for these deficiencies. However, studies have shown that taking vitamins and minerals doesn't always have positive effects on smokers' health. In fact, certain supplements may even cause serious complications. This video will let you know which supplements smokers should strongly stay away from. Now, let's start talking about beta-carotene. It's actually an antioxidant found in certain fruits and vegetables and is commonly converted into vitamin A in human body. Beta-carotene is known for its potential health benefits, including maintaining healthy skin and supporting immune function. However, taking excessive amounts of beta-carotene as a supplement for a long period of time may have pro-oxidant effects in certain contexts, particularly in individuals with a history of heavy smoking or asbestos exposure. These pro-oxidant effects could potentially promote the formation of harmful byproducts, such as free radicals, which can damage DNA and increase the risk of cancer. Recent research combining data from 8 studies and involving over 167,000 participants have shown that there is a convincing association between high-dose beta-carotene supplementation and an increased risk of lung cancer in smokers and asbestos workers. Plus, a study of 18,000 people with a history of smoking or asbestos exposure revealed that there were 28% more cases of lung cancer among those who took 30 milligrams of beta-carotene and 25,000 units of vitamin A daily for 4 years. Detailed information about the studies can be found in the description along with the corresponding links. In brief, while it's true that high doses of beta-carotene supplements have been associated with an increased risk of lung cancer in smokers, obtaining beta-carotene naturally through a well-balanced diet is generally considered safe and may offer additional health benefits beyond just beta-carotene alone. Foods that are vibrant in yellow, orange, and green hues serve as excellent sources of beta-carotene. These include carrots, spinach, lettuce, tomatoes, sweet potatoes, broccoli, cantaloupe, and winter squash. As a general rule, the deeper and richer the color of the fruit or vegetable, the higher its content of beta-carotene. Similarly, a study involving more than 77,000 participants revealed that taking high doses of individual vitamin B6 and B12 supplements for a period of 10 years can increase the risk of lung cancer in male smokers. Male smokers who took these supplements were found to be 3 to 4 times more likely to develop lung cancer compared to those who did not take them. Specifically, consuming more than 20 milligrams of vitamin B6 tripled the risk, while consuming over 55 milligrams of vitamin B12 quadrupled the risk among current smokers. Surprisingly, multivitamins containing these vitamins didn't show the same elevated risk. Keep in mind that B group vitamins are important for many functions in our body, like giving us energy, supporting our nervous system, helping with DNA production, making red blood cells, keeping our brain healthy, maintaining skin health, and supporting our immune system. However, taking too much of these vitamins in the form of individual supplements can increase the risk of developing lung cancer, particularly in smokers. Thereby, it's more advisable to get your B vitamins from natural food sources rather than relying on supplements. Getting B vitamins from foods is beneficial because they are often found together in a variety of nutritious sources. Good sources of B vitamins include whole grains like brown rice and whole wheat bread, legumes such as lentils, beans, and peas, as well as green leafy vegetables like spinach, kale, and broccoli. Animal-based foods like meat, eggs, and dairy products are also rich in B vitamins. Poultry, fish, beef, and pork contain several B vitamins, while eggs and dairy products like milk, yogurt, and cheese are good sources as well. They are important for maintaining overall health and vitality. To summarize, smoking can deplete vital vitamins and minerals in our bodies, impacting our overall health. While dietary supplements may seem like a solution, certain supplements, such as high-dose beta-carotene and individual B vitamin supplements, have been associated with increased risks for smokers. It's crucial to prioritize a well-balanced diet rich in natural food sources to obtain these essential nutrients. When looking at the big picture, having an excessive intake of vitamins doesn't lead to better health outcomes and can potentially cause harm depending on the circumstances. Remember, every individual's health needs are unique, so if you have specific concerns or questions, it's always best to consult with a healthcare professional. Also, to learn more about how supplemental vitamins can affect other medical conditions, including prostate cancer, watch the next video.